starting to develop its ears. It's a good sign. Pepper plants have flowers, and some of them have little peppers on them. Broccoli looks like there's some ready for harvest. These are the same broccoli plants that I had a little pest eat them all down when they were young, but they grew back. So yesterday we picked up all the materials we need for the outside of that little porch we've been working on. It's time to get to it and get it done. I'm painting my trim board. Well, I'll let those dry and put another coat on. Cucumber. Let's go get some tomatoes. Getting them out of here. Here's a big one. There we go. There's another big one here, but I think, oh, I should bring it in, I guess. Come on. Come on off. There we go. There we go. 4 big tomatoes. There's some more coming, but leave them till next time. Our onions aren't the biggest yet, but we want to start eating them. This is my zucchini. Big enough to eat, I guess. Another one there growing. Should I pick it? I'll wait for tomorrow. We have enough of a meal here. And we harvest some of this lettuce here. Is the first time we're eating this lettuce. Multicolor. So I harvest some of these leaves of this basil to put in our salad. Actually, the basil did pretty good. I keep on pinching off the tops here to make the plant fill out, so not to let it go to flower. And look how nicely it filled out compared to when I first put it in. My peas are full, ready to be harvested. I think I'm going to pull the whole plant because they're falling down. We didn't tie them up. So here are the peas that I picked.
So we started putting on our siding here, or getting ready for it. We made our corner. And to line up our corner, what we did is we have a biscuit maker, a DeWalt biscuit maker. We'll show you that a little bit later. We lined it all up and put our biscuits in and glued it. And then we nailed it with a little tack gun. And then we install it. So we've got a pretty nice corner going here. We've measured off our distance here. We need 54 3/4. So we're going to take our first board. We're going to start putting it on from the bottom up. We put our starter on, and we put our finisher on at the top, and we have our J along the wall. And this here, when we install it, we have to remember to leave 1/8 of an inch between this board and the siding, so that it can swell and contract and retract, whatever the word is. And we'd be able to install it from there. And we have our silicone to be able to come down the edge and put it all together. So we're installing the siding. One thing that's important to see is that there's a line right here. You want to make sure you put your nails above that or on the line, because down here you'll see we didn't, and you can see the nails. So we're going to have to cover them up with a bit of paint, and hopefully it won't show too much. Well, it's coming along.
I have to go that way a bit. That way. Get it in.
Back my way. My way. Let's check our level. Sugar down.
Right in line.
Yeah, we're right level on.
So you'll have to nail it because I'm too short. You're getting short too?
Yeah. Piece in there. You have to pull down on that.
Yours fine. Okay.
Make sure it's pulled down. I can't reach it here.
Want the ladder?
No, you can move and pull it.
Okay, I'm holding it. Nail gun? trying to get my yellow string beans all picked before the rain tonight. Getting a good bucket. I think this is the third time I'm picking my bean plants. I'm very productive this year. Put a lot away in the freezer. Peek in my basket so far. This is what I got. I already picked a big bowl already. You just pull them off by the handfuls. They're so plentiful. So this is the basket I got. It's half full. I think it's a pretty good haul. Freshly picked from the garden this morning. Got all my beans in vacuum sealed bags ready for the freezer.